I could say this day is a particular day for us. God-given, gifted day, I could say, that we are called to renew ourselves in our Christian faith and to be like St. Francis Xavier. There are so many things said about the saint. So many stories are there about the saint. And whatever we have heard so far should touch our heart, should touch our feeling that we should be also like him to a certain extent to begin a new life, rededicated life. For that, I would like to propose 3 important concrete ways following the footsteps of Francis Xavier. This saint, whose body remains, whose martyr remains intact after so many centuries, is a moment for us to understand the presence of God is still with St. Francis Xavier. Our Holy Father, Francis, one of his general audience commented upon this particular saint, calling him a saint who loved Jesus Christ always in his life. The first point of our meditation is that we are all called to live as St. Francis Xavier loved God. The love of God should be manifested in our day-to-day life. As a witnessing Christian to other people, that is very much necessary. I quote the words of Pope Francis. The love of Christ was the strength that drew him to the farthest frontiers with constant toil and danger, overcoming setbacks, disappointments, and discouragement. Indeed, give him consolation and joy in following and serving him to the end because his love for God, love for Jesus Christ.